Aalis na nga ba ang Food Panda dito sa Pilipinas? So Food Panda nga daw might exit the Philippines amid talks of a partial sale by its parent company. Kung mangyayari man to, isa ako sa mga malulungkot dahil during the pandemic until now, isa ang Food Panda sa mga inasahan ko sa pag-order ng pagkain. Kasi 'di ba, during the pandemic ang hirap talagang umorder ng pagkain and yung paglabas, pamamalengke, ang hirap, 'di ba? So dito hindi mo pa rin mabibili mo pa rin yung mga gusto mong pagkain kasi nga dito sa Food Panda, you can just order tapos i-deliver na lang sa'yo yung mga lutong pagkain na. And even nga may mga groceries na sila, yun din yung nagustuhan ko. So ito raw ay dahil sa talks of a partial sale by its parent company, Delivery Hero. Ayon nga sa isang report daw sa CNBC, the company confirmed that it is in discussions with potential buyers to sell part of its Southeast Asian food delivery business, which includes operations in Singapore, Cambodia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, and Laos. So the report also said that Food Panda is undergoing another round of layoffs, becoming more efficient and more agile. This is the third time that the company has cut jobs since September 2022 when it laid off employees across its global operations. So Food Panda's move to sell part of its Southeast Asian business comes as the food delivery industry faces increased competition and challenges in the post-pandemic era. So according nga sa report by tech research firm Momentum Works, Grab is a dominant player in the Philippines with 60% of the gross merchandise value in 2022, followed by Food Panda with 40%. Yun nga. And also, mayroon ding analyst na nagsabi that Grab is one of the likely buyers of Food Panda Southeast Asian business. He said that the acquisition would be most appealing to Grab as it would help the company consolidate its market share and reduce its cost. Pero all of these are not yet confirmed and hoping na sana hindi naman siya mag-exit dito sa Philippines because we Filipinos, 'di ba? It's a big sa atin help itong Food Panda. Like for example, may mga birthdays, 'di ba? May bigla ang o-orderin, 'di ba? Ang dami diyan, may mga na nga diyan, may mga pansit, cake, kung ano-ano na, lechon, lahat na, 'di ba, ng pagkain. Pero I think the reason why Grab overtakes Food Panda because yung ino-offer din naman ng Grab kasi is mas madami. Like they have Grab Car, Grab Express, 'di ba? And I don't know, mas aggressive sa marketing ang Grab, 'di ba? Pero nowadays kasi parang medyo hindi ko na nakikita ang Food Panda. Like hindi na sila ganun ka-active when it comes to marketing. But ang Grab kasi, 'di ba, tuloy-tuloy lang sila and ang dami nila kinukuha celebrities, 'di ba? Pero ayun, sana hindi talaga mawala ang Food Panda dito sa ating bansa.